Today I'm sharing a piece of my day with a warm, comforting meal that always leaves me feeling deeply satisfied and light. It's my Savory Eggplant Quinoa Bowl. Come with me. Let's half the eggplant and slice it into thick half moons. I love keeping that beautiful purple skin on because it contains a rare antioxidant called nasunin that helps protect our brain cells and keeps our body resilient. Next, finely slice the spring onions. I tend to use plenty of these because they're fantastic for helping the body clear out internal waste and keeping our immune system nice and strong. In a small jar, combine your soy sauce, honey, ginger powder, and Gochugaru. I love how the warming scent of ginger starts to fill the kitchen. Heat a thin coating of olive oil in a pan over medium-low heat. Add the spring onions first and sauté them well. Let's take a moment to let that beautiful, fragrant aroma fully come alive. Now, toss in the eggplant slices. Sauté them gently until they become perfectly soft and tender, absorbing all that gorgeous flavor. Once the vegetables are beautifully cooked, add your cooked quinoa and mix well. Finally, pour in that lovely sauce and toss everything together to coat evenly. I love how the quinoa catches all the savory, spiced juices. Transfer to your favorite bowl and it's ready to enjoy. This savory sweet sauce coats the tender eggplant so beautifully. I find that the melt-in-your-mouth texture of the eggplant makes this bowl feel like a warm hug for your digestive system. It's so incredibly gentle on the stomach. Eat well, feel light.